Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com and welcome to my review of Lez Bankz. Now Lez Bankz launches on the 1st of December at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Inside the members area I'm going to give you a run through and show you what this training is all about. But this is a new product launched by Jono Armstrong, and he's working on this one with a young man called Branson Tay. Now Branson is from Malaysia, so he's a non-native English speaker, and yet he's been able to put together a course here and show you how he's able to generate passive income from free traffic. And he's doing this by being an affiliate for big companies who pay out every month. Once you've got somebody who buys through your link, you get regular passive income. It's the easiest way to bank passive recurring commission from free traffic, and Branson's going to show you how to do it. He's going to do all the training within this course, and he's really crushing it, and you're going to learn all about how he does this if you purchase Lez Bankz today. And if you do find that this is something that's of interest to you, I've got together with Jono and we put together a ton of quality custom bonuses that you are going to get free of charge if you purchase today Lez Bankz through my link, which is the first link in this below this YouTube video. That brings you to this bonus page here of mine. I've got Jono to do a review video on the bonus page, and you're going to click on any of the big yellow buttons on the page. That'll take you to the sales page where you can click on the yellow button and make your purchase of Lez Bankz just for $17. That's the front end of Lez Bankz. $17 only gets you my bonuses instantly delivered. The only thing you need to do is make sure you get back here before this countdown timer here reaches 0, because when that happens the bonus is going to expire, and obviously I don't want you to miss out on these because they're very special and they're really going to be a great addition. Say just for 17 bucks you're going to get Lez Bankz plus these bonuses that Jono and I have put together for you now. And bonus number 1, now this is a top secret bonus. It's Jono's going to share the $70,000 secrets that he's learned by going to America in January of 2020. He underwent one-on-one training with a Google Ads training expert. 3 days he spent with him one-on-one and learned all these the secrets. It cost him $70K, and he's going to reveal and summarize within this product exactly what he's learned here. And so you're going to pick up some fantastic golden nuggets to be able to implement into your business. So that's going to really help you out with bonus number 1. It's going to be a fantastic one. Bonus number 2 is Jonas's award-winning course to make money online. Jonas Lindgren is one of Jono's previous business partners who he's put together products with. So you're going to get access to that one. That's a high quality bonus. Bonus number 3 is Gemini. Now this is a product Jono released earlier this year. It's all about, it's a 3-in-1 autoresponder, which is what you need when you're affiliate marketing. It's got lots of functions here, this product. And you are going to be able to get access to the license rights for this product. So you're going to be able to sell this product as if it's your own right through the funnel, keep all the profits. So that's a very valuable bonus. Bonus number 4, access $0 to $100 in 24 hours. This is all about using other people's videos on YouTube to get your link seen and make money from that. And this course is going to easily show you how to access $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The only thing about this one, you need to buy this before the first 24 hours of the launch of Lez Bankz expires, because it won't be available after the first 24 hours. So get yourself back here in good time before the 2nd of December at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time to make sure you don't miss out on that. As I say, you can do that by clicking on the first link in the description below this YouTube video. Click on any of the yellow buttons and go to the sales page. So bonus number 5, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on any of those by buying through my link today. So but just make sure, don't let this countdown timer expire, because these bonuses are so valuable, as I'm sure you've just seen there. Once you do make your purchase by clicking on the yellow buttons, you'll be taken to your affiliate receipt page on Warrior Plus. Just click on that blue button on that page. You will get these bonuses instantly delivered to you, so that you can access those just by buying the front end of Lez Bankz for $17. So I'll have a quick look at the sales page now. So Lez Bankz is a brand new untapped method with no competition. It's the easiest way to bank passive recurring commissions from free traffic. $97 a day from campaigns we plug in once and never touch again. Recurring profits from scratch, without experience and without paid traffic. So this is a video sales video from Jono that he's just made with his lovely wife Chicha. They've just been to Bali a couple of weeks ago, and so you'll see a bit of their lifestyle that he's been able to get. Say he went to America to learn these traffic secrets, spent $70K, and that's enabled him to have a turnover in 5 months of $2.5 million. So inside this, you're gonna see lots of proof of how Branson's doing this method as well. So this is perfect for beginners. It's 100% new method and set and forget simple. So you can scroll yourself down this sales page, have a look at this in your own time. So you've got proof of income that Branson's been achieving with this method. So you're gonna see this is Jono. Have a good look at this sales page. So it's a real quality sales page. You're gonna see exactly what you're gonna get if you pick this product up today. So I'll show you now inside the members area. So you're going to get a welcome from Jono here. You're going to be able to watch a live training call by clicking on this button here. So that's the introduction welcome from Jono. Module 1, all the training is going to be carried out by Branson in here. So the equation of money is module 1. Module 2, the proven business model. The 3 types of affiliate products. The power of recurring commissions. How to find products that pay recurring commissions, and bonus series ClickBank, Warrior Plus and JV Zoo training. So that's a little overview of what you're going to get inside the training. Module 3 then is how to promote any affiliate offers. Module 4, the ultimate free traffic strategies. Module 5, then this is how to overcome the fear. Module 6 then is the overview of 8-step blueprint. So step 1 is choose a product. Step 2 is plan and outline. Step 3, creating your videos. Step 4, editing your videos. Step 5, set up your YouTube channel the correct way, and this is most important. Step 6, uploading to YouTube. Step 7, optimizing your videos. Step 8, promote your videos. So it's a massive amount of content here, really high quality. And then module 7, 10x your commission. So you're going to be able to scale this up to the next level. That's module 8 as well. Module 9, then how to integrate get response and click funnels. Then you got your bonuses that are going to be available, say within this course. And then you've got access to your upsells. So there are some upsells. You don't need to buy the upsells to get my bonuses free of charge today, but there are some quality upsells as well, which I'll just run through with you now. Upsell number 1, Lez Bankz done for you, $47 with a downsell of $37. You'll get a hand-picked selection of completely done for you funnels, premium offers and promotional tools that are not available on the front end. This makes it even faster for anyone to be up and running and in profit with practically no effort at all. Perfect for newbies and those after multiple streams of recurring income. So that one might be worth picking up. That's going to be a downsell of 37. Upsell number 2, 4x case studies plus 10x traffic, $97 with a downsell of 67. So here you're going to get 4 powerful case studies walking you through Lez Bankz in action. For each you'll see the specific offer, setup and exactly how to copy results from start to recurring profit. So this is Jono's advanced 10x traffic training, covers premium methods for scaling this system or any other to levels that never before been possible. Upsell number 3, software automation bundle plus outsourcing suite. So this is $197 with a downsell of $97. So this value packed upgrade lets you completely automate your entire online operation. So you'll get a free traffic app, paid traffic app, autoresponder, money page builder with hosting, squeeze page creator with hosting, and email conversion suite. So plus a Rolodex with contact information of our best service providers, so you can outsource and put your business on full autopilot. Upsell number 4 is resellers bundle license, $197 with a downsell of $97. So you're going to get reseller and developer rights to Lez Bankz, and you're also going to get the same for Continuum, Vanquish, and JavaScript commission bots. So these are 3 of Jono's other recent product releases. So these are 2-in-1 rights that give you your own turnkey digital business where you can make vendor profits without the hassles or costs of product creation. So say those products that Jono released all this year, so they're very, very current and fresh. So you're going to get a ton of value with this product to say, but you don't need to buy the upsells to get my bonuses. All you need to buy is the front end of $17, and you'll have everything delivered instantly to you. So it's a quality product from Branson, obviously supported by Jono, a really top affiliate. So all in all, you're going to get a ton of value here. And as I say, hopefully you can pick it up through my link today. First link in the description below the video. Thank you very much for watching my video today. And this ends my review of Lez Bankz. And I look forward to seeing you next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.